3B Networks Company Limited, based on the management philosophy of making only healthy and honest products. We are a food manufacturing company that has been researching and developing grain and nut bars for 11 years, with Korean rice, superfood, nuts, and dry fruits that are healthy and fresh given by nature. 3B Networks continuously strive to produce food that is good for everyone, regardless of age or gender. As a result, it has been popular not only in Korea, but also exported to the Philippines, Japan, and other countries, approving the superiority and safety of these highly valued products. 3B Networks is a trustworthy and stable growing company. Through the HACCP certification, a hygiene control system, the manufacturing facility of 3B Networks manages hazards ranging from raw material management to ingestion by end consumers, thus producing only safe, wholesome foods. 3B Network products are based on a principle of low sugar and low sodium. They are non-GMO, gluten-free, and heavy metal-free. In addition, all 3B Network products are made by hand by professional workers who carefully and strictly perform quality control and thus keep the product's quality uniformly high. Power Plus Bar focuses on energy recovery. Refresh Prebiotics Bar regulates intestine functions. Smart Bar for brain health. Moist Collagen Bar improves your skin condition. Blueberry Bar aids weight loss. Superfood 21 Veg Plus Bar, great for enhancing health. Protein Uno Bar supplies healthy proteins.
We bring you nature's health. 3B Networks.